I'm Abhishek Disawala from Acton Property Mandurah, and welcome to 101 Boardwalk Boulevard Wholesale. Absolute beachfront, no roads, no compromise. Ocean views, ocean sounds, ocean lifestyles. Once you live here, you will never want to leave. Designed by multi-award winning designer Mario Tascone, built 2008 with timeless vision. Stunning street appeal. Statement entry foyer. 2 master bedroom with ensuites. 1 upstairs, 1 downstairs. Secure fences for kids and pets. Northwesterly aspect. Sleep to the sound of the sea. Selling property with the personality only with Abhishek Disawala.